Hello everybody, this is Anthony from Traders Ultimate Edge. Let's look at today, February 1st. We had something interesting happen today. Now, I was expecting a pullback back down to the 200-day or so to go ahead and solidify this move up. I wanted to see that pullback and then it hold, and then us push back up. We didn't quite get that, although we did get a pullback today. We did get a little bit this morning, back down to, it's this 50% retracement of the whole fall, the whole move down. So that's actually a really significant area, was that 50% retrace. Now check this out, we were able to trade this fall this morning. This one, if you knew what to look for, was pretty easy to call. And I've got the NASDAQ and the ES up side by side. Now you can see right as we open the day here, and you can see the little line here is matched on both charts. As we opened the day here, the NASDAQ was just falling out of bed right off the day, but the ES pushed up, right? See that there? Push up, push up, push up. Finally, the ES fell back here. Now, when I saw this formation here on the NASDAQ, but the ES was flat, I called out to everybody in chat, hey, the NASDAQ is tanking and the ES hasn't yet. Go short. And I went short, and I got 6 points on ES at $300, and then I was able to scalp some more down in here later. So it ended up being a really nice win for me today on this one, and we were able to see that because we saw the divergences in the indexes, and we saw NASDAQ falling before ES did, and then it just kind of grabbed ES by the nose and yanked it down, and it followed. So that was a really nice trade this morning. It was a really nice trade. And then later in the day, we tried a couple of things, and I broke even on one of these. One of these I broke even on. But then later in the day, I know Dr. Swing Trade in our chat, Dr. Strange Trade, he got a big home run over here. Went long right over here off of this little bump up over here, and I think he rode it to the moon. And actually just kept climbing here after the end of the day. Now it's way up here. We had some verticals in SPY that are now completely intrinsic. We'll go ahead and take those off the table tomorrow. I took a little bit off today. So we'll take those off the table tomorrow and make some more money there. And of course, we've been in our Twitter trade, which is up 38.68 right now, it looks like, at the end of the market. So that's up over $2 on our Twitter trade. So we are doing really well. Very happy with these moves. I was hoping for more of a pullback than this. Like I say, I was hoping for it to come down closer to here, and I was going to sell credit on the SPX, but that's okay. C'est la vie. We can go ahead and find other things to trade. Excuse me. All right. So that's what we had going on there. Now the question is this move up going to stick? Was that the end? Have we seen the last pullback? Well, first off, my chart's kind of messy, so let me fix some of this. The answer to that is maybe. Don't you love that answer? It could very well be we're not going to go back down here again. In fact, I don't think so. But, you know, it's hard to tell if the coast is clear at this point. Sorry for my messy charts here, everybody. I can tell what they're doing, but you may not be able to. So if we just come back here and look, we did get a double bottom look, right? So here's the first bottom, here's the second bottom, right? So we had a double bottom higher low, which is the ES's classic way of pushing us back up. You know, we could just go right back on up here to the 4700s. I'd be kind of surprised to see that. I think that we're going to kind of languish about for a little while. The 100-day SMA, we're almost to the 100-day SMA, which is right here right now. This is the 100-day right here, though. So we are going to head next to that 100-day, and then I think that might give us a little bit of resistance and a little bit of pause. And then after that, I do think eventually we'll break it and get back up into this territory. I think the coast is probably clear to grab some late February, early March verticals, or maybe even calls and SPY. I do think the coast is probably clear to go ahead and do that. Also to sell SPX credit for February 18th expiration, or you can even do the March expiration. Either way, we've already got some on the table, so I might actually add into it. We'll see. Just playing wheels like crazy this week too. We've been able to close and reopen puts a couple of times now on a couple of different things. So it's really just been a fantastic couple of days for us. And that's all I've got. If you'd like to figure out how to do this, if you'd like to learn to read charts like this, if you'd like to learn to trade, then go to tradersultimateedge.com, and you can email me at anthony@tradersultimateedge.com, or just go there. It's got everything on the website, all the information to find out a little bit more about us, and you can come and join us and start making some money. All right, thank you for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.